I think the biggest problems that we are seeing, and they're not even a problem at the moment all the time, is outdated materials. So we have a lot of cast iron drains. Cast iron lasts 80 to 100 years on average. So that's one of those items in a home inspection where we can identify that you have a cast iron drain and help you prepare for it. Even if there's not a current leak, it can get expensive. They replace it with PVC, so the materials they replace it with aren't expensive, but removing it can be expensive. Other things, just outdated electrical systems are major problems in old homes. And there's certain type of wiring that can be problematic. We went through a phase in this area that people, like in the 90s especially, that people installed a type of piping called polybutylene. It's been sued out of existence, so it no longer is used, yet there's still a lot of it that remains. So being able to identify that is a way that, again, us as home inspectors can find issues that you as a homeowner may not be aware of. Same with asbestos. It was used long ago. So having an understanding for what materials, what areas were typically you might find asbestos. We would technically have to test for asbestos to know, but even just having an idea of what type of materials used asbestos gives you a leg up on, yeah, that likely has it and you may want to test for it. Another one that comes up too is we have a lot of masonry. And so if there's a lot of mortar that is missing, that is something pointing up masonry can get quite expensive. So those are areas that we'd be looking at in older homes that might not be in a newer wood frame home that we would see.